With very little inventory in Charleston, how are so many people still moving here? You're in the right spot to find out. Let's go! Hey everyone, my name is Jason Husted, and I'm a local real estate agent in Charleston, South Carolina. To give you a little more information about myself, my team and I have helped over 100 families this past year alone. We would love to help you come up with an effective plan. If you are interested in purchasing or selling, please visit my website by clicking on the link down below, and you will have access to many properties as well as different communities within Charleston. To get you up to speed, these past few weeks we've been going over some of the best new construction builders in the area, and we're ending the series with Hovnanian. If you want to take a look at the other great communities, click on the link in the description below. As a builder with immense prestige and quality and craftsmanship, it makes sense why you choose Hovnanian. I want to show you two great communities they are building now. Let's start with Liberty Hill Farm in Mount Pleasant. This area maintains a high quality lifestyle. You're just minutes away from two charming beach towns, Isle Palms and Sullivan's Island. I would recommend visiting both to soak in the easygoing atmosphere. Check out our video here of the best beaches of Charleston. Liberty Hill is conveniently positioned near Mount Pleasant Town Center, a hub of upscale shopping, well-acclaimed restaurants, and its very own movie theater. Throughout the year, there are many events and festivals hosted under the oak tree, making this the perfect place to socialize and meet new people. Outside and in, the homes in this community are well structured. The exterior of these homes are designed with so much character. Many residents relax on their front porch, enjoying an ice-cold drink and taking the beautiful Charleston sunsets. As you visit the interior, you'll become captivated by the quality kitchens. Just look at those granite countertops and all the cabinet space. Attractive details are dispersed throughout the home. The crown molding, hardwood floors, and soft close cabinets are just a glimpse of the personality within each residence. While we are going through these communities, if you are interested in knowing more about them, please feel free to reach out to our team at 843-925-7600. We would love to help you out and answer any questions you may have. Now let's go ahead and check out Hovnanian's newest community, Pinecrest. This neighborhood is located in Cane Bay. It's one of the fastest growing communities in South Carolina. Inside of Cane Bay, you will be guided by many of the trails leading to the neighborhood YMCA, Publix grocery store, restaurants, and small businesses. This is a very attractive community, and it's easy to see why so many people call it home. As with many of the homes built by Hovnanian's communities, you will get the same quality craftsmanship but more affordable being located in Somerville. Pinecrest is a brand new, and they still have plenty of homes available. Here you will find a beautiful amenity center with its own picnic pavilion for having lunch with friends and family. Many trails, as I mentioned before, and a pool to cool off in those hot summer days. An added benefit of buying new construction are the energy efficient appliances and modern smart home devices, saving you money and future-proofing your home. Truly a great investment. Both of these communities show beauty and charisma. If you want to know more about them, my team and I would love to help you thoroughly understand the process. Please contact me at 843-925-7600. Also, if you want to see what else is available in Charleston, please click on the link below to our website and make sure you subscribe to see most of the recent listings in the area. Thanks for watching our video today. We look forward to welcoming you to their new Charleston lifestyle.